My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible. Feel free to like, subscribe.
Just a note about podcasting. So podcasting is basically just another means of marketing yourself. So nowadays, like I mentioned, the media landscape's changed significantly. Publications aren't just normally writing about companies just because they researched them, they found value in them, they want to highlight them. It's now a paid landscape. I'd say probably 85% paid landscape. And, it's all still good. Either way, media is important and it's necessary, but podcasting's come a long way too, because nowadays between, everybody online, whether your iPad, your iPhone, your iWatch, everybody's listening to things online, like even me. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, but I haven't read a book in a while. But I listen to the audiobooks because I have more time, like especially when I'm driving. I have more time, I'm focused, I don't have 50,000 interruptions, and I can listen to this book. So having, online, like podcasting is a perfect example. So people basically interviewing you, and it's a good way for you to highlight who it is, what you do. And like say, for example, for me with my podcast, I can now interview you, find out who you are, what you do, how you bring value to the world, why somebody should choose you, and then also how do you differentiate yourself from everybody else. It's more of a way to kind of help other people. And then, so I'm helping you market your product or your business or you, and I would then post this on my channel, and then that gets marketed to my whole world, and then you also market it to your whole world. But, it's a win-win for everybody. So for me, I'm now educating the people on who it is, what you do, why you're important, but also people who are interested in marketing. You explain how you make yourself different from everybody else. So maybe somebody else has a product or a business and they'll say, I didn't even think about doing that. So you're marketing yourself. You're helping other people, or I'm helping other people by highlighting that. And it becomes a win-win for everybody. It brings a lot of value, and these are types of things that you can post on your website, post on your social media. You can transcribe the podcast, take snippets of that, and use that on social media. I mean, there's just so many different ways of, really getting your message out there and circulating it across the masses. So, it's just another means of marketing in a way.
Comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBARONOWSKI at Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBARONOWSKI.com.